Okay, so this is my children's literature page. I provided each of the main assignments we had in this class. So if you look here, this is my about me. I kind of just shared a little bit about myself. That's myself, my nephew, and my daughter. This is me and my daughter. We went to Paris last year. So just like something kind of personal, just a little bit more about me and kind of my plan for the future, I guess, a little bit. Here you'll see me discuss the book trailer. I don't know if it's going to come up. There it is, with my link to the book trailer and kind of just some thoughts that I had. My library field experience. This is just, I just took a screenshot. I had a hard time uploading it, so I just went ahead with the screenshot. Um, and then my literacy backpack. Just a quick reflection. I just wrote it in the comments. My virtual group books. Let's see. And I wrote a little bit more here, which I'm going to come back to in just a moment. And my virtual library. This was just something that I created. That was also one of our major assignments. So the virtual group books assignment I do want to come back to because it was something that I really enjoyed and something that I think that at the very least should continue. So I'm going to go ahead and read it because I wrote it out. So this was the assignment that I did with my partner that I met with her we met every Wednesday at 3:30-ish, and we talked about for about 30 to 45 minutes. We just discussed the book that was what that was required of us from the instructor. And so this is kind of what I wrote. I said, this course that I have just completed has completely changed my life. I've always loved to read, but somewhere between being a mom, an employee, and a student, I had convinced myself I had no additional time. This course required of me a lot of time and a lot of reading. I felt at the beginning the time required was unrealistic, but week after week I found a lot of joy. I may not have had the same amount of time as other students or turned in the same quality of work, but my heart has never been so invested. This course required two of my absolute favorite things, children and books. I enjoyed every single book required of me from the class and even managed to read a few other books throughout the course. I learned a lot from this class, not just as a student or possible future educator, but as a person. As I write this reflection, I find myself feeling emotional because I feel so grateful. I am thankful for the kind instructor and the class itself. So overall, I just wanted to read that because I felt like this class was a really terrific class. I felt like I learned a lot, and I felt like I don't know, I just felt like it was a good class overall. I think other students probably felt the same. I think the workload was heavy but doable. Um, I feel like, I don't know, I just really enjoyed it. And I think that I want to read it and express my gratitude towards the instructor and the way that he navigated it through the beginning with providing videos of what was expected of us each week. And yeah, so overall, it was just a really great course. The hardest part for me probably in the course was the literacy backpack because I had so many problems with it personally. But I also think the library, or no, it was the virtual library that was hard just because I had to read so many books. And but overall, it was all doable, and I really enjoyed it. So that's it. All right, thank you.